Look, man, you're not obligated to believe us at all. But as followers of Jesus Christ and of people who really just love Him, we are obligated to share the good news and tell the truth. Look, if you're uncomfortable with anything that I've said so far, you're totally free to go.
No, please don't go. I know what you're thinking, but I feel it. These guys are telling the truth.
Girl, stop. You wouldn't know the truth if it came up and slapped you in the face. Now you, come on, let's go before I...
Just shut up. I'm totally capable of making my own decisions. I don't need you always trying to make a decision for me. I can literally decide on my own. Well, I choose to stay. Not if I have anything to say about it.
Oh. Hey man, what's wrong with you? Whoa, what's going on here, guys? Hey guys, I don't mean to interrupt whatever's going on here, but do you guys think that you can answer a question for me? Hey man, just breathe. You know what? Anger, it's leaving you now. Would you be ever so kindly, sir, to point me in the direction of the marketplace? What? Who even? You know what? Yeah, just hurry up north. You'll find what you're looking for. No, hurry up. Peace be with you, brother. You will no longer be blind because now you've heard from the truth. Man, that guy was mad weird. How can you literally just say I'm hearing the truth? Dude, you don't even know the conversation. Like, what are you talking about? No, I think he said front. Point is, how can you just sit and tell lies about a story? I mean, well, they are stories, so.
When darkness descended and stretched across the sky, Jesus left us. But strangely enough, a Roman guard realized what happened and was so convinced that Jesus was the Son of God. Days later, 2 women went to the tomb of Jesus, but when they arrived, they were met with an angel who told them to go deliver a message to the disciples. But these women were so terrified that they just ran away.
See, sometimes when I get too stressed out, I kind of forget the ending, and it's like, 1 minute is there, 1 minute is not. It's like, but I do know that he sent some people out to go spread the gospel. Listen, you really have to forgive our brother Mark here. Sometimes he forgets things and then it's like one story and then another story, but they're both the truth. He just kind of forgets to add the ending sometimes. Right. And matter of fact, what about you? Do you even have a story about Jesus? Or are you literally just riding the bandwagon like everyone else?